How to recover Google account without email and phone number. So if you want to recover your Google account without the email and phone number, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser. And here you need to search for support.google.com. And now you need to tap on Google account. And here you need to scroll down, tap on need more help. Once you tap on need more help, you'll have an option of post to help community, or you will have a post a question option. So scroll down and then tap on post a question. And after that, here you need to enter the short summary of your issue. So you need to write that I'm not being able to recover my account. I don't have the email or the mobile number, and describe the issue that you're facing. And go with the category. Under that, you can go with account access and recovery. Scroll down, go with next, and then just follow the process. You can go with the second step, which is check similar content for help, or add more details, or confirm and post. And after that, you will receive some help. So in this way, you'll be able to recover your Google account without email and mobile number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.